Hi, this is part 3 of a series of 3 videos. So if you haven't seen the first 2 videos, I encourage you to check those out because basically what these videos are showing are the process of how to take a large amount of photos, get them organized, and make them into a smaller, either a digital copy or a hardcover copy. So basically what happened from the big stack of photos that I inherited was that I turned it into a USB, which I could then share with my family. And I also turned it into a book because we do like the tangible things. And this is the end result. So there's lots of different companies that you can use online to send your photographs in. But after digitalizing all of those pictures and scanning them, I was able then to put them into a book and just kind of slide them in. And this is the final result. So as you can see, it's a much thinner, look, these are all of me. This is a much thinner version of what we had. So it's taking up way less space on a bookshelf, but it has over 500 photos in this one book. So one of the things about putting these pictures together was trying to find a way to display them in the book, because when you get a large amount of photographs, maybe you're not exactly sure how to print it into a book. So something that I did for my family as an example was that I took all of my parents, aunts and uncles photographs and put them together first. And then these were the pictures from my grandmother. So of course she had a lot of pictures of her grandchildren. This is of her home. So I kind of built out sections based on every grandchild, starting with the eldest and then working all the way down to the youngest cousin. So that was one way that I could organize like a lot of different photographs. And then after I showed the pictures of all of the grandchildren, I did it by family. So went through and did all the family portraits, and then went through and made each individual aunt and uncle's family pictures. So it's a great way to get a lot of photos and have some sort of theme going throughout the book, so that people know what they're looking at, and it's not just, oh, I don't know where to put this photo, or where does this fit. So for me, this is a really nice solution to be able to preserve memories. But then for the people in my family who don't get a copy of the book or don't want a book for themselves, they can go through and they can pick the digital photos they want. So have fun organizing your photos, and I hope you enjoyed this series of videos.